Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements, but did you know that regular maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs? Let's take a look at how maintaining your roof can save you money and extend its lifespan. The biggest benefit of regular roof maintenance is early detection of potential issues. Small problems like loose shingles or minor leaks can be caught before they become major headaches. Addressing these issues early prevents them from escalating into expensive repairs. Water damage is one of the most common and costly roof problems. A small leak can lead to mold, rotting wood, and damage to your walls and ceilings. Regular maintenance ensures your roof is properly sealed, preventing these costly repairs. Keeping your roof in good condition also extends its lifespan. A well-maintained roof can last significantly longer, delaying the need for a full roof replacement, which can save you a substantial amount of money. Neglecting roof maintenance can lead to emergency repairs, which are often more expensive and stressful. By staying on top of regular maintenance, you can avoid these urgent issues and the high costs that come with them. A well-maintained roof also helps improve your home's energy efficiency by sealing gaps and leaks that could let out heat in the winter or cool air in the summer. This not only lowers your energy bills, but also reduces the strain on your HVAC system. In short, regular roof maintenance is a cost-effective way to protect your home and save money in the long run. For more tips on maintaining your roof and avoiding costly repairs, visit our roof maintenance program page and learn how RoofWorks can help you keep your roof in top shape year-round.